into the pit, this is what your cart is going to look like. This red pedal is the brake, the green is your gas. Your seatbelt comes from your left-hand side all the way down to your right-hand hip. To adjust your seat is the lever right underneath the steering wheel. You're just going to hold it to move the seat back and forth. If you can't find it, just raise your hands. My friends in the pit will help you guys out. This blue button is for reversing. You must be holding down the gas pedal at the same exact time. Say for instance, you guys turn too hard, you spin out, or if somebody hits your car and you spin out, you're going to reverse by using the blue button and the gas pedal. But you have to be holding them down at the same exact time, okay? This green button is for boost. You can press it every 2 minutes as long as you're safe driving. Then your race is based off your time, not your position. Please make sure you guys are keeping on the equipment at all times and are no purposely bumping into anyone. For your flags, blue means to move to your right hand side, yellow is a caution, black is a penalty, and your checkered flag will be your final lap. Does anybody have any questions? Alright, if you guys haven't already, you can all grab helmets. They do range from 3XL to extra small. If you could shake your head and your helmet is loose, you're going to size down. Once you have your helmets on, you're going to line up at the gate right behind me, or right behind the board, and have your tickets out.